Hey everybody, welcome back to Laser Engraving 911. So what do you think happens when you get 30 plus laser engraving pros all together in one spot? Well, let me tell you, it's called Laser Maker Con 2025, the All-Star Edition. This is the premier online laser engraving event that is chock full of tons of laser engraving pros presenting all their tips, tricks, and secrets, and it's completely free, and it's happening on June 26th through the 28th. It's literally right around the corner. If you want to up your game in your laser engraving business, learn about new techniques, anything to do with laser engraving, this is going to be the place that you're going to want to be. And the best part about it is it's completely free if you want to attend it live, or you can get the VIP pass, which gets you access to all the sessions for lifetime and all the bonus goodies. We'll be giving away one of those exclusive VIP passes to one lucky subscriber. So make sure you watch the whole video to learn how to get entered to win that VIP pass. So if that sounds like something you want to get into, then buckle up, get your pen and paper out, because we're about to talk about Laser Maker Con 2025, and it's gonna be juicy. So some of you might remember that last year I was also a presenter at Laser Maker Con, and I did a full presentation on customer-centric laser engraving versus product-centric laser engraving, and it was a huge success. And incidentally, if you missed that video, you could watch it on my YouTube channel, link listed in the description below. This year, I'm back, and this time I've got something extremely exciting to share with you. I'm going to be giving a full presentation on how I use the UV laser to engrave crystal and glass, but I'm also going to be showing you how to color fill that crystal and glass after it's been engraved with a UV laser. And not only that, if you've been interested in how to hook up a rotary tool to your fiber laser or UV laser, I will be featuring that in my presentation, sharing all my settings, all my setup, and everything that you need to know to start engraving with a UV laser and color filling like a pro. And it's not just me presenting this here, even though I know that's why you'll all be going to the event, but there are tons and tons of talented people presenting this year at Laser Maker Con 2025. The topics that they're presenting on are ranging all across the board for anyone running any kind of laser engraving based business. So whether you're selling on Etsy, whether you've got a customer-centric based laser engraving shop, product-centric based, you want to learn how to work with leather or wood or acrylic or crafting, this event has it all. Here are some of the events that I particularly am going to be interested in attending. You've got Ollie Moss, who's going to be teaching about laser engraving leather. You've also got Liz Rivers, who's going to be doing a presentation on turning a hobby into a legit laser engraving business. And then you've also got Tabitha Richardson, who's going to be teaching about how she turns blank hats into cash with custom branding. And that's just a little taste of some of the classes that you can expect to see at Laser Maker Con 2025. There's a lot more. Okay, so here's the best part. This event is a totally free event to watch live, which is awesome. You can watch it from anywhere in the world live during the 26th through the 28th.
Sounds good to me.
But if you don't have time to sit in front of your computer for all these different presentations live, what I recommend is that you hook yourself up with the VIP pass. What this does is you get access to all the different presentations for lifetime, all the different templates, all the bonus material, and it's just the best way to experience Laser Maker Con 2025, in my opinion. If you want to get hooked up with a VIP pass right now, you can use my affiliate link in the description. Yes, it's an affiliate link, and by using it, you're actually helping support Laser Engraving 911 and all the expenses that go into making these presentations and helping the channel grow as a whole. Now, let's talk about that free Encore VIP pass. All right, here we go. How do you get entered to win the Encore VIP pass? Well, it's simple. What I need you to do is drop a comment on this video telling me which one of the presenters you're most excited to see. And it doesn't have to be me. Promise. And you also need to be subscribed to Laser Engraving 911. That's it. In a week, we'll go through all the different comments and everybody who played the game, and we will reach out to you to get you that special Encore VIP pass that gets you full access to Laser Maker Con 2025.
This is sick!
All right, so with that, I think we're gonna wrap it up. I can't wait to see you all live at Laser Maker Con 2025, the All-Star Edition. Remember, if you're going to attend this event, the best way to do it is to get that Encore VIP pass. I've listed a link in the description below. You can also take your phone out and scan this QR code and it'll take you right there where you can get your Encore VIP pass. It really is the best way to attend this event. So with that, we'll see you around on Laser Engraving 911.